I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves shuffles and riffles en croix, and they alternate. So it's a really good one for like kind of being a brain teaser, but also for working on articulation of the foot and the ankle. So I have adult students that are always asking me for good shuffle combinations, so this one's coming to class soon. Be prepared. Also, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, let's get started. En croix technically means in the shape of a cross. So we're gonna go front, side, back, side. That's what I would do in like a ballet class or anything when they say en croix. So using the same terminology, you're going to shuffle front, then side, then back, then side. So the shuffle's front, down, up, shuffle side, turn out, and then down, up. Shuffles to the back, you plie your standing leg. Then you do the same motion as a side shuffle. And then we're gonna come back to side. So we have 4, 4, 4, and 4. There's always 4 in every direction in this combination. So just to go over that, let's try shuffles en croix, 4 of each, front side, back side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Okay. Second part, all riffles. So a riffle, I call it a riffle, some people call it a scuffle. I call a scuffle something different. But I call these riffles because they have a riff in it, and then it's the back part of a shuffle, so the full. So it makes sense to me to call it a riffle, but whatever you call it is completely valid. So it's a riff, and then a brush back. So it's 1, 2, 3. So you want to make them like da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. You kind of want to sound like the horse in Monty Python, da-da-da, da-da-da, although I think that's just a shuffle. Anyway, add a little like extra note to the horse in Monty Python, if you know what I'm talking about. So, so you want to make sure that you are loose and articulating every single piece. So you can go as fast or as slow as you want to. If you want to work on the articulation of that, you can go for the shuffles, and then to be able to get some extra time to work that heel in there. So we're gonna do riffles en croix, 4 of each. Let's do it. So, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So to do them to the back, remember, you need to stay turned out to the side. You don't want to like turn in. That's awkward. Stay turned out. You're simply just bending your front knee so that you can get behind you for that riffle. So front side, back side with shuffles, front side, back side with riffles. The rest of the combinations where the brain teaser part happens. So the third part of the combination, shuffle, riffle, en croix. So it'll go shuffle, riffle, shuffle, riffle. Now side, shuffle, riffle, shuffle, riffle. So knowing when to do which one, it alternates shuffle, riffle, riffle. Then go to the side, shuffle, riffle, riffle. Then go to the back, shuffle, riffle, riffle. Go back to the side, shuffle, riffle. And then part 4, opposite. Hi, Bento. You want to do shuffles and riffles? Do you? What? He's begging me for food, even though I just fed you. You got the good stuff today. He got the really good stuff today. Anyway, so you did all shuffles, all riffles, shuffle, riffle. Now we're going to do riffle, shuffle. So it's the exact same thing. You're just switching the order. It start with riffle, then shuffle. So this part goes riffle, shuffle. So we have shuffles, riffles, shuffle, riffle, shuffle. Can we try it? Can we give it a shot? All right, let's do it without music, then we'll do it with music, okay? Ready? All 4 parts. Let's do this. And hope that Bento does not knock my lighting over, although wouldn't that make a great blooper? don't do it. He's playing with his toy, which is shaped like a taco. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was a lot of pressure, but that was good. And my right ankle feels nice and warmed up. This is such a good warm up for class. My right ankle feels so ready. My left one, on the other hand, does not. So that means we gotta try it on the left. We ready to do that? Here's hoping this goes well. I'm still dealing with a left leg injury, so I'm always like extra scared to do anything on the left lately. But it's not like it's gonna hurt, I'm just not used to using it as much. So, Bento, wish me luck. He's falling asleep with his toy. He's hugging a taco. I wish I had another device so I could show you, but he's literally laying on the floor, hugging his toy taco. And it's the cutest thing. If he's still doing it later, I'll get a picture and add it to this video. All right. So if you want to see more pictures of my cats though, follow me on my personal social media. It's instagram.com/CaptainJenWay, and I'll have that down in the description. All right, left side. Bento, you're adorable. 5, yes, I'm in the right spot. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. I think I only messed up one riffle, and it was when I said the word opposite, but it's okay. I'm not gonna stress about it. I know I got all 3 sounds, I just don't think they sounded great. All right, let's try it with music. Right side with music. Let's do this. So your tempo, da 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 da. Those are your 2 things. There's your tempo. You ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect, but hey, we did it. It went okay. All right, we ready for the left side? Okay, so if you guys didn't get it perfect, that's okay. I'm trying to film it for a video so that you have something to watch and it's like what it's supposed to be. So all this pressure, right? And I'm actually just gonna go ahead and tell you, the first time I did it, I missed the floor, so I had to redo it. Second time I did it, I made it all the way through and it was so perfect. Music cut out. Third time I tried it, Bento decided to walk right between my feet while I'm doing it. So the 4th time, that's why I was like, yes, finally, because the universe just decided that I needed to do the right side 4 times in order to get it on film. But if you guys, if you need to do it again, you can always rewind this video. Do the right side again. Do it as many times as you need to until you either feel warm or you feel like you've gotten the exercise. All right, so let's try it on the left, and hopefully Bento stays out of here for like 5 more minutes. All right, Let's try the left side. We can do this. So same tempo, same everything, just the opposite leg. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. We absolutely did it. I'm so happy with this exercise. And you know what? Both of my feet, you stayed up for exactly the allotted amount of time. So both of my feet feel nice and warm, nice and loose now. Such a good warm up for your class if you're a teacher, or just for yourself if you're about to get into one of my choreography tutorials, or if you're about to start a class, you get there early, you just want to warm yourself up. This is a great exercise. Right, Bento? Right, baby? He's so sweet. He's also just begging for food, but it's okay. All right, so hopefully you guys had a great time learning this today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got cats. And what other reason do you need to subscribe to a channel, right? So we've got Bento, we've got T'Challa somewhere, and we've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can just learn a step. That's in a playlist in every description of every video, just in case there's a step in that video that you don't know. Go to that playlist and see if you can learn it on that. If there is a step in a video that doesn't have its own video on that playlist, let me know. I will make one. I really think I have them all, but like, if I'm missing one, please let me know. So there's also choreography tutorials where you can learn a combination to one of your favorite songs or a timeless classic or something like that. Bento makes appearances in a lot of these videos. So yeah, with all of that, don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs up button tells YouTube that people like tap dance, and that helps every tap dance channel out there, not just mine. So subscribe, thumbs up, let's go feed Bento, and thank you for dancing with me.